I'm gonna put a little
Here
stone.
lies, this stuff is mosquito grass. This stuff is dwarf golden. Okay, I can't do that. Everything's named.
Dwarf golden threadleaf saguaro false cypress.
Look at this.
Suppressicaya.
So,
Suppressicaya? I'm not sure.
So each one of these trees represents a wedding that was held in this arboretum.
Oh!
So that tree, they each have a plaque on every tree and it represents a wedding. This one, oh, this is in loving memory. May this tree be a witness of our actions for the next 100 years.
Etobicoke Youth Environmental Strategy. There's so many plaques everywhere.
Oh wow, September 2nd, 1919.
Wow,
Katerina Greco.
1919.
Every fucking tree here is dedicated to someone or something. Every single one.
I want a tree.
Right?
Pray tell, what does one have to do to get a tree after that?
Public relations students who died tragically on October 2nd.
Damn.
They'll be missed by their family, friends, probably a car accident, unfortunately. Doesn't tell you how they died.
Carly Spunkin and Lindsay Wren. We'll have to look into your story.
Why they fenced off. Red berries, I think, are poisonous. But they are, but
They're poison berries. Yeah, and for any stupid people who decide to pick random berries and eat them on a hike.
This research site, no information is gathered by trained community volunteers to study the impact of long-term forest biodiversity in 1 hectare plots of both might mature.
Ooh, we was a fork in the road.
We can go left and we can go right.
Oh, well, you started going this way, so let's keep going this way. Get a tree tag.
You can scan them with your phone. Fucking sacrificial altar. Fuck this. This must be where we kill the ghosts.
Yeah, it makes sense. This is the sacrificial table, of course.
It screws nuts in the holes. Little nuts hidden in the holes in these rocks.
Oh, and other pigs hide garbage behind here, which is oh so nice.
Maybe a good fire pit, actually, right? Right inside.
The little nuts.
Let's go this way.
All right, so not left, not right, straight or back. Makes sense.
Something plus something etched in the heart.
They probably broke up by now, so at least nature took care of that for them. Whoa!
That is a fucking forest.
Whoa! Okay, so exploring time.
No, it looks like a forest. But this is literally massive.
Oh, I know, bugs everywhere. That is really cool. It's just a Mother Nature's natural fort. Tick check. Ticks are very, very bad in Canada right now. So every time you get out of the woods or any sort of underbrush, you gotta do a tick check. Tick check.
goes through the bush and hunt. He wraps duct tape around his arms, sticky side out.
Oh.
He came out of the bush, there was like hundreds of ticks all over the duct tape, but none were on him.
Oh, that's
They all
genius.
got stuck on the tape.
All right, we got this cute little boardwalk here.
This is here for a flood, probably.
Yeah.
This somewhere gets flooded and they just drag this over the path.
Yeah, because I mean, the whole road does dip down right here. So that's actually a very good point that my boyfriend just made. We are literally in the middle of a busy city and you can't hear a thing. Right next to the 400 series highway. And can't hear a thing. Cannot hear a thing. Trees block everything out. So cool. To nature center and gardens. There we go.
Oh. Careful, someone might be home.
I don't think there's a place to get in.
Oh, it's a feeder.
It's a feeder, okay. Oh, it's a little bee feeder.
It's an artificial hive. It's not a feeder. There's little holes. They go in there and they create a hive.
Oh my goodness. That is so cute.
That's what that is. It's not being used right now, but
Maybe it will be. Save the bees. Save the bees. Oh, there's like another little sketchy ass looking path. Oh.
For sure. Bat homes.
Bats.
Bat station.
Welcome home. This is so cute.
Weird. Everything's deciduous, and all of a sudden you see these weird conifers.
Yeah.
Thousands
Wow.
of fucking caterpillars dead.
Nature, ladies and gentlemen.
Watch it. Spiky.
Ah,
Push that.
good looking out, babe. Get away from me.
Fucking rotted together very well, but
Hey, they tried at one point. Owl station. Woo-hoo. Everything's overgrown. It's like some sort of weird ass Jurassic Park building.
it's a, from what I understand, it's a zero emission, zero impact building. So what that means is its carbon footprint is actually neutral because it's a gold standard building. That's what it says on the inside.
Okay.
Urban Center for Urban Ecology, a LEED R certified gold facility. I'm pretty sure that means it actually reduces carbon. You know anything about that?
No.
Right here.
What if a dinosaur comes and greets us? Just stuck my head in a bee. Sorry, bee. Just goes to show you, though, they won't sting you unless they really have to. Look at this. Here we go. This is what we came to the top of the hill for.
Empty your truth. Shut up.
All right. So this is the cylinder totem pole.
Oh look,
Truth.
crack lizard.
So for someone, crack lizard is their truth.
What the fuck is this? What is that? What is this for?
I don't know. They've got some weird sort of worshipping totem pole here at the very top of the hill. I'm sure if you looked at the stars, it would somehow match up with that weird sacrificial circle that we found. Starting to think this place is a bit on the Satan worshipy side, but who am I to judge? This is the view we're looking at. Well, we can smoke a joint. Haha! That's the sort of garbage we should leave. Nanner peels. Beautiful. Thumbnail. Look at that. Oh, this is perfect. Wow. The temperature literally drops some degrees in here.
Lots of clothes.
Fuck Arboretum. Is that like name of a gang or something? Arboretum.
COPP, copper tones? I don't know.
That's an R, isn't it? Arboretum. Fuck corporate. Oh, you know what? That looks like a very undereducated person trying to perhaps spell corporations. Fuck corporations.
Ah! It's either that or it's the name of some fucking course that we don't know.
Yeah.
Some pissed off kid that's in it.
Yeah.
Fuck this class!
Whatever he says, I hope he doesn't say fuck education because he could clearly use some more of it. CORPERATIONZ. Help us out with that one, guys. Excision.
Inspired the design, drawing one of the stories he made up to tell his daughters. Mr. Volumsey lives in a great big tree and greets anyone who passes beneath it with the gift of many fruits and vegetables he grows in his branches. Mr. Volumsey has the biggest heart in the world because the greatest way to grow your heart is to grow things that you can give away. The mosaic is offered as a gift for all who pass by. But these square stones had to have curved cuts put in them in order to lay this this concrete mixture and then place your stones in the mixture.
So that's how they would have done it then. They would have put this and then they would have cut out the shape of it and then laid the concrete in.
Stones in, like these big stones in first.
Okay.
They would have cut all these things, create this shape, and then they would have filled the trough with concrete a little bit at a time and placed these mosaic stones.
I see.
But it's just the amount of work this stuff is crazy. Because it's not just about the mosaic, it's about laying the rocks around the mosaic.
Yes.
Like, this stuff is hard to do. Curved cuts on square stones.
I'm guessing that wasn't so much the fun part, but all of this stonework, that definitely was fun for the artist doing it.
Very old, so it hasn't really withstood the test of time yet.
2016, so it's 5 years old.
At least a decade and it'll start to breathe.
Yeah, absolutely.
Doob
Beautiful
tubes
scenery.
everywhere. Fucking doob tubes, man.
You know,
It's the
we're
worst
stoners
shit
too,
everything.
but that's not the fucking shit that we do. I have one of those. You don't see me throwing it on the ground because I reuse this shit. This is literally like 2 years old. This is gross. Beautiful, beautiful view. And just pig people. How sad, man. I don't know who still maintains the mentality of littering makes you cool, but you're probably the same type of people who think smoking makes you cool. This, though, is beautiful. Nature is freaking beautiful.
Weeping corkscrew willow.
A weeping corkscrew willow. This is very pretty. Food, water, shelter, space, wide variety of life. Help protect it. Don't throw garbage in it. They don't eat that.
Another weeping corkscrew willow.
Weeping tumor
Oh,
willow.
so this corkscrew willow was donated by the electrical contractor working for Ontario.
Did they electrocute it first?
Maybe.
Oh, how cute. It's lacking a little bit on the one side, but that's okay. Oh, look, babe.
Oh, wow.
Nope. Hello. You are so pretty. I think you are right. It's very blue and it's definitely a heron. Hello. Yes, hello. You are just so majestic. You gonna disappear off into the grass? To kiss him. To kiss him. Bye. Say hi to your babies. Yes, absolutely. I agree. Ooh, and nice little snowball bush to take us off. And it's time to go home. Till next time, beautiful conservation area.